Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the most honest and informative product reviews. Today, we're talking about a product that's been a lifesaver for many: the Preparation H Hemorrhoid Symptom Treatment Cream. If you or someone you know suffers from hemorrhoids, this video is a must-watch. We'll dive into what makes this product the best hemorrhoid treatment on the market. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our in-depth reviews. Let's start by taking a look at the Preparation H Hemorrhoid Symptom Treatment Cream. It comes in a 0.9 ounce tube, packed with maximum strength multi-symptom pain relief and soothing aloe. This cream is designed to provide rapid relief from pain, burning, itching, and discomfort associated with hemorrhoids. What sets this product apart are its ingredients. It contains pramoxine for maximum strength relief, along with vitamin E, panthenol, and soothing aloe. These ingredients work together to not only provide relief but also help shrink swollen hemorrhoidal tissue. Applying this cream is easy. You simply squeeze a small amount onto your finger and gently apply it to the affected area. It's recommended to use up to 4 times daily, depending on your symptoms. Plus, it comes with an easy-to-use applicator for those hard-to-reach areas. Now, let's see what real customers have to say about Preparation H Hemorrhoid Symptom Treatment Cream. With over 33,000 ratings and an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon, it's safe to say that many people have found relief with this product. Thunder, a verified purchase customer, shared, "I had some swelling and itching at the sensitive area which was quite irritable. Once I applied the cream, the itching has reduced, and the swelling went away within a week." It is easy to apply as it comes with a perforated cap that can easily go in the area. It is a very good product and recommend it with no inhibitions. Ashley mentioned, "This product works as expected and eases any symptoms you are experiencing. Packing is nice and comes with 2 nozzles to choose from for application. I would recommend buying this." Before we wrap up, here are some key points to remember. Preparation H is the #1 doctor-recommended brand for hemorrhoid treatment. It offers multi-symptom relief, including maximum pain, burning, swelling, and itching relief, all while containing soothing aloe. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best hemorrhoid treatment, look no further than Preparation H Hemorrhoid Symptom Treatment Cream. With its proven track record and positive customer reviews, it's a top choice for many. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from this product. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the products you need. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.